Libra, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of May. Libra, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Channel messages, Libra. Me getting you keep a click on something. Me getting something about a disappearance. Disappearing. Like you're saying something just disappear. Or someone just, me getting something left without a trace. Or that's what you're saying. You're saying something disappear. Or you look on something and in front of your eye, it just disappear. Getting something with a disappearance, something keep disappearing. I don't know if it's things around your house. Like you'll be here and if you had something here, you don't know what you do with it. And what's happening? Ooh, you bugged. Maybe I find it back at places in your house later on. See, when that did happen to me, right? It could be a part of jewelry magic too. When we're looking for it and I can't find it, but just don't freak out. Just don't freak out. It could be like that. Yeah, freak out, things that disappear. You accuse somebody of stealing or taking something from you, and then later on you find it somewhere, and you said no, it was not there. It disappeared. Something like that. All right, Libra. Yeah, justice. Me getting the proof where you had disappear. It's probably the Canadian hackers. Me getting you had proof and it just poof in an ear and you cannot explain it. If this is not something online, me getting something about like in the physical, somebody them disappear. Or that's what you say. You say you see them and you don't see them. I come and I go, prove you got the right to please me. Everybody knows. Catch me on the go, Houdini. If you think that we can find a way, I'm never gonna girl to change. I could be with you night and day. I'm sorry, that wasn't me. That was my legs. Look, I swear it's my legs. My legs together. I swear. Look again. I don't know what it is. My leg. My thigh is my thighs. My thigh is not fat. You know, one time I was having that guy. No, I don't want to say that. But that was the sound him thought I was making. That was the disrespectful him think I was making. That wasn't it. It was something else. Look, I want kind of to say the Q word. The Q. Him probably thought I was farting. I wasn't. It was like, oh my God, she's nasty. I wasn't farting. It was a Q word. Look again. Let me show the city of Toronto. Is my thighs together. I don't know what's happening. And my thighs not, I don't consider them to be that. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. It's a Q word that I'm very embarrassed to say. YouTube. And that's weird because you know I'm very ratchet. Let's go. We have the 6 of Pentacles coming out first. So the 6 of Pentacles is sale. It could also be you're helping the needy. Getting your helping somebody, Libra. Or me getting you buy something already and you have to pay your feet again. I don't know if that's a part of the game. You're gonna buy it, so it'll disappear, and you keep having to pay back again. Well, it's only a one-time purchase, and if you lose it, I mean, you want it again, you have to buy it again. Only one-time use, like a coupon code or something like that. But the 3 of Pentacles, it's something about a co-worker, money. Me getting this business, and money disappear. Or it could be something about a donation, foundation, like me getting a foundation where me getting 3 people run this charity event. Is it charity? Is it like a food bank? Is it like something for the needy? 3 people run it. Me getting half of the money gone. They're saying that they gave away the money. I don't think they did, but let's go ahead and see what this is. The Fool card. We have the 10 of Pentacles, yes, the money here, the 10 of Pentacles, and we also have the, no, see? Me getting 3 people went into a contract when it comes down to something like helping the needy, philanthropy. That's what 3 people, it could be 3 well-known people. This could be like government officials. When they have a foundation, when they had this division in the government, it could like social assistance. Or it could be something like you know, the whole thing we're going with Doge and what they're investigating, right? When it was supposed to help a lot of people, me getting 3 people was running this. Pentacles, that are money. Then me get the Fool card. 1 person out of the group, 10 of Pentacles, because me getting while you run this charity foundation or you're supposed to be at certain places, you gone on vacation. Or again, like the Black Lives Matter movement where they collected a lot of money, but the people them gonna go buy a house. I end up on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome to my house tour. So if you look over here with the Black Lives Matter money, yeah, the fucking house tour. Me getting the whole of the money, like you get the whole of the money to your family. And yeah, your family, and you have baby and everything. It's a donation money where you're supposed to use for the needy people them. Now this can also talk about no, the homeless people them, yeah, them must say the money need to spend on them too. When the claims that tax money is for social welfare, that's when they tax the rich for social welfare, right? You make 10 million, we're gonna tax you 13% of the 10 million, and it's for the social system, as in the reason why you tax the people and the 13% is because the people them who have 0% can live off of the 13% on the tax. We get to the 13%, we'll not tax it now. Go back to the social welfare system. That's why the people them still there, Peter Street. It's a going in your pocket. And your family and everybody enjoy the 13% tax that was supposed to be used for the welfare system of the people. You can't tell me say taxpayer money a fixed road. Go to Montreal. Since my land in Montreal in 2019, February 20, since my land in Montreal, construction is still happening. So what happened? One smuggle. On a smuggling, one do. 13% tax cannot be for the roads. Construction never ends. And construction, which is fixing roads that are already broken, is not the same as building new ones. So that's what I'm getting. You take the whole 30% and give your family. You go on vacation, you live off fight, every single thing, rich house, rich everything. When I have dog, when I have servers, when I have every blood clotting. The 30% was not for you. It was for the people who have no money. 5 of swords and your teeth from your 2 co-worker. Me getting your co-worker, them I take the fall. Somebody could also name Rochelle. Me getting Rochelle. Rochelle, somebody named Rochelle. I don't know if she work at one bank. Something about a debit card was she thief. Also, it could be my nasty, dirty, devil worshipping first ex-sister. Hi Rochelle, how are you? Bobby, Jesus Christ, Bobby, Rochelle, the girl was great, Bobby, you did a great job with the girl, Bobby, but the boy, Bobby, me don't know about the boy. Bobby, you need to ask a woman if it was your boy in the first fucking place, Bobby, the boy, me don't know where you go wrong with the blood clot boy, but the girl, Rochelle, beautiful woman, beautiful young woman. She could play in the NBA. Beautiful young woman. Let's continue the reading. 3 of Pentacles is clarified by the devil. Bobby, the boy, Bobby, the girl, Bobby. The girl, they get it right with the girl, Bobby. Because the girl act like, Rochelle act like her mother, Bobby. The boy, I don't even know if the boy are yours, Bobby. I don't know, you get it wrong with the boy, Bobby. I don't know what's going on with the boy. Yeah, but the devil worshipping ex we used to have, that's the fuck what I just said. Bobby, I don't know what's going on with the boy, Bobby. The boy, your son is a trafficking, devil worshipping, fucking down the nation slut. That's why I never give a blood clots on a second chance. But the girl, Bobby, Rochelle, if Rochelle didn't need a visa, I would recommend Rochelle. I have no problem against him, sister. Anyways, again, this was the so-called foundation. We're going to help the needy. No, you're going to rob everybody. And you're going to traffic some of the poor people, them, and you're going to rape off some, and you're going to do all type of things to some, and you're going to launder it under having a business. We're getting something about a Capricorn. 6 of Pentacles is clarified by, we have the 10 of, because me getting, that's like you give somebody 10 million, but the poor people them still outside a struggle. And you're like, where's the 10 million what me give you? We help them. Yeah, but who? Because there's still people here. Who you help? You don't trust me? We're a business partner. It's not about trust. I just tell you, say, 1 month ago, me give you money, and 1 month later, it's the same thing. So when the money gone? The Fool card is clarified by the judge. Yeah, you fucker, yo. Somebody take vacation. They went to fucking Mexico. 10 of Pentacles is clarified by the 8 of Wands, and them have bare pictures of them. Me said them supposed to be helping the people, then gone a blood, but them got Shanghai. You went to China. Where the fuck you went? Thailand? Where the fuck you gone? You gone Thailand, go take picture with the people and money. Five of Swords is clarified by the thing. I tell you, him thief the whole of the fucking money from Uno. So the King of Pentacles here. I've been getting your ass because it's 3 people. So all of us supposedly be charged for theft from this organization. Yeah, but is a difference when 3 only is charged and an innocent, and 3 only is charged but only 1 person guilty. That's the difference. Cause now you're broke, you don't have an investment to go back on, and now your name blood clot tarnish. How you gonna start another philanthropy work? They're getting them teeth to hold of the money, them build house, them relocate. They bought a house with the money. Relocate, house and pool, everything. Gone on vacations. Visit me in a day in a life with me. Just, you know, after using the people and money. You can't, all of them, some of these foundation, them food bank here, you can't trust. You used to volunteer one food bank. Them coming like that. Me just stop. The energy there was corrupted. It felt when I was in the so-called food bank that the daily bread goes to and second harvest and all of these big food bank in the same location. They have a location at Cliffside too. Me never got Cliffside location. I don't know how Cliffside location feel, but the location that I did went to, it felt like this. I'm a son of dirty blood clot, oh no, I saw the fucking treat people, because when I have big job and I help the people, and you see the big second harvest and our daily bread come in, and I saw the skin up on the face from poor people, even though your blood clot job is to help them. I never went back. Them have a location at Cliffside too. I never tried that one there, but to me, if the organization sour, I stay far from it. When I went there, this is what I felt. I'm selling these nasty blood clot people, but when I help the poor. Suck on a mother. Go suck your blood clot, mother. Mother's there, come up. I never went back. I hope you get blood clot catch for your theft. Yeah, you work a blood clot food bank to help the needy, but you drive expensive blood clot car. I teeth the whole of the people them shit. MK Ultra. Me never blood clot went back. Sleep. The soul was sold. Yeah, like the needy people that are coming there, and that's another them. And we know somehow have a different section for the rotten expire things, where we will tell the workers, yeah, these people will come, just give them that. Them hungry anyways. It's better them eat rotten food than no food at all. Dirty blood clot, Me never went back, but suck on a mother. Political agenda. Second blood clot harvest, and fucking daily bread used to blood clot feed me when I was at Kennedy's shelter at 702 Kennedy Blood Clot Road. And when I come into phone blood clot, big place, when a big food blood clot bank, I smell the blood clot energy in there. I'm saying the dirty fuckers who no worship, what the fuck me worship? Suck on a mother, Leo. I don't know if it had something to do with some law enforcement officers. Any fucking way, I never blood clot went back. Rather starve than blood clot go to Uno for help. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.